Good morning, everybody. I am here today with another reading video for you. We are going to learn a new sound. So, this is not a sound that you guys have learned in class before, although some of you guys do know it. We see it a lot, so it's kind of exciting, but I hope that you will stick with me and you will need something to write on and something to write with. So go ahead and get those things and then come back and let's get into it. All right, so before we do anything with letters, we need to listen for sounds, right? So I'm going to say some words, and I want you to tell me what sound these three words have in common. So this one's mine. So I have the word moose. I'm going to sound it out. Moose, oo, s, moose. Then I have the word hoop. Ooh. Well, I heard a similar sound here, so I'm going to check it. Oos, oop. Those are the same sounds. Let's check our third one. Juice. J, oos. All three of those words have the oo sound in the middle. So we're going to do another one, but this time you guys get to do it with me, all right? So our next one is house. Say the word. House. Sound it out. Ow, s. House. Then we have cow. What's the word? K, ow. Good. And our last word is town. What's the word? Town. T, ow, town. All right. So what sound was the same in all of those? The same sound was ow. Good job. All right, let's do another one. I even have pictures for you on this one, and then we're going to do two where you don't get pictures. So, our first word is stork. What's our word? Stork. St, or k. Good. Let's do corn. Great job. And board. Beautiful. What sound was the same in all of those? Or. St, st, ork, k, orn, b, ord. All right, good job. All right, let's do one. I'm not giving you pictures, so I'll make myself big. Your first word is glued. What's your word? Okay, go ahead and sound it out. Good. Your next word is zoom. And your last word is mood. Great job. All right, what sound is the same in all three of those words? If you said ooh, kiss your brain because that is correct. All right, the next one is flew. Two. And shoe. I went too far. Good job. All right, so what sound is the same in all three of those words? Ooh. Fl, ooh, t, ooh, sh, ooh. Good job. All right, let's get into some sounds. I want you guys to look at these words and tell me what you notice about a lot of them. You can read them to yourself. What do you notice that these words have? So some of you guys might say they have OU. Some of you might say they have OO. What are these words? If you read them to your sound, what sound do they have? Ooh. So what's our sound for this week? Ooh. This is our spoon sound spelling card. The sound it makes is ooh. What's the sound? Ooh. Now, if you look at this card right here, there are a bunch of different ways to spell ooh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different ways. So ooh is a really tricky sound, but we see it a lot when we're doing reading. So, for example, spoon. The word you has oo in it. 2, both the number and like the word also. So oo is spelled a lot of different ways, and it's a little bit tricky. So I can blend and sound out words with the oo sound spelled O-O, U consonant E, U, E-W, U-E, O-U, and U-I. Now, if you look at this, there are clues, right? There's going to be some kind of a consonant here between the U and the E. We've learned that with sneaky E before. Here, EW is going to come at the end of a word, like in the word few. There's an F here, and then EW comes at the end. Then we have UI. UI will come in the middle of a word. It won't ever come at the beginning, and it won't ever come at the end. So it will always come between two consonants, all right? So we have some tricks that will help us, but these are just tricky words to spell, so we are going to practice a few of them today. All right, so we're going to first practice reading, and then I'm going to give you guys some words. So here, oh. There we go. Here we have the word truth. What's the word? Truth. What sound spelling do we have here? Just a U. So it's T-R-U-T-H. Then we have the word true. What's the word? True. And true has U-E. In this case, it's at the end, but it doesn't always come at the end, okay? Then we have the word crew. What's this word? Crew. And EW, and what did I tell you? Where was EW always going to be? At the end. Is it at the end of the word crew? It sure is. How about the word soup? What is the spelling there? O-U. All right, I have to hide myself so that you guys can see these last couple words. Then we have the word root, and that has O-O. And then we have the word rude, which has U consonant E. And there's one that I didn't put up here because it's a tricky one. So I'm just going to write it. We'll hope it goes well. We have the word juice. Actually, instead of juice, I'm going to do the word fruit. So, fruit. R, oo, t. And we have UI, and look, it's between two consonants, right? UI will always come between two consonants. It does the same thing in juice, okay? All right, so let's go ahead and start reading some words. I'll get my pointer out. When we read them, we do it in our head, right? So we're going to say the sounds in our head, and when I snap, tell me the word, okay? So in your head, soup. S-oo-p, soup. All right, here. Room. Soon. Tools. Super. This one's kind of tricky. So it's s-oo-p-er. Super. How about this one? pool. Oh, this one, actually, guys, this E should be red. I will make a note to go in and fix that because we have U consonant E, right? So what is this word? Rude. Drew. New. Blue. Juice. Why is there an E after this C? Tell mom, dad, grandma, grandpa, brother, sister, whoever you're with, why there's an E after the C. What does C say when it's followed by E, I, or Y? Yeah, that's when C makes the soft C sound, which is a S, right? All right. All right, guys, sorry about that. I think we were on the word juice. My cat has jumped into my lap, and so I pushed pause because she was, being a cat. So, we're on this word here. Let me get my laser point. There we go. All right, so sound it out in your head. You. Right here. Look. Remember that O has another sound, which is So look, we don't say I look, right? It's look. So you're going to have to maybe use Flippy Dolphin and use both of those sounds to figure out which word makes sense. Try right here. Loop. Road. Rude. Stay. Stew. Coin. Mouse. Town. Corn. Hurt. Boys. Good job. All right, here's some sentences using our sounds. So let's go ahead and read the sentence to ourselves. Push pause so you can take as much time as you need, and then come back and we will read it together. All right, here we go. Tracking finger up. Track. Duke wore a blue suit and brown boots. Read it one more time. Duke wore and nice job. All right, read the second sentence. Come back as soon as you're ready. All right, tracking finger up. Track. Lucy jumped into her new pool. One more time. Lucy jumped. Great job. All right, here's our last sentence. Read it, come back when you're ready. All right, tracking finger up. A moose from the zoo was on the loose. One more time. Nice job, guys. You did a great job. You can always go back and read those as many times as you want. All right, so we are going to write some words. this is when you will need your paper, pencil, whiteboard, marker, whatever you're going to use. I think we'll use green today. All right, so our first word is the word moon. Say the word moon. So let's sound it out before we write it. Ooh, So let's write those sounds, those letters. Ooh, moon. This is how moon is spelled. This ooh is an O-O, okay? All right, let's do another word. Tune. What's the word? Tune. Sound it out. Ooh, Now, there's two kinds of tunes, and they sound the same, but the way they're spelled is different. This is the kind of tune, like, I like to sing a happy tune, okay? It's not like my favorite tune to watch, like a cartoon. This is tune the song, okay? So, tune. T, ooh, This one has our sneaky E in it. Can you guys see that there's not really a whole lot of ways for you to know which ooh goes in the middle? It's a tricky, tricky sound. How about the word flu? Sound it out. Ooh. Now think about where ooh is, because there is a rule for when ooh comes on the end that this is the only time this spelling will be used. It never comes in the middle. So ooh. This is the EW, and notice how it's at the end of the word. All right, let's do the word blue. What's the word? Now, there's two kinds of blue. There's the color blue, which is the one that we're going to write, and blue, like a bubble with my gum. Okay, that's a different blue. We're going to do the color blue. So, blue. B-l-ooh. Blue. Write it. B-l-ooh. Blue. All right, fruit. My favorite fruit is probably apples. I love apples. I also really like pineapple. So, fruit. R-U-T. R-U-T. Fruit. Remember, UI comes between two consonants. Now we have other, like tune, the oo was between two consonants. So it's not that, oh, if it's between two consonants, we use this one. It's just, you'll have an, oo will never come with a UI at the beginning or at the end of a word. It will be between two consonants. All right, and last we have soup. I like to eat soup on cold days. Soup. What's the word? Sound it out. S-oo-p. Write it. S-oo-p. Soup. If you made mistakes on any of these, just fix them. Ooh is a tricky sound because there's 7 different ways to spell it. 7 ways. That's just a lot of ways. So some of these will come as you see the words and they get trapped in your brain. So let's check it. Let me make myself small. Here's all of our words. Now you're going to need your whiteboard again. I'm going to put myself here in the middle. because we are going to write our high frequency words, okay? Let's actually do it this way. Okay. Our first word, let me move myself again. Actually, okay. Our first word is answer. What's our word? Answer. I know the answer to that question. Can you please tell mom, dad, grandma, grandpa, brother, sister a sentence using the word answer? Answer. Now we need to spell it. So spell it out loud. A-N-S-W-E-R. Now we're going to write it on our paper or whiteboard. A-N-S-W-E-R. Make sure that you are spelling it as you're writing it, because we want to really try and make sure that that word sticks in our head, because it doesn't always follow our rules, right? Okay, so this is the word brought. What's the word? Brought. Spell it. Nice job. Now let's write it and spell it as we write it. So brought. B-R-O-U-G-H-T. Brought. Use the word brought in a sentence. We all brought food for the picnic. This is the word busy. What's the word? Busy. This is one that we miss a lot because it doesn't follow our rules a lot, okay? So, busy. Can you please use the word busy in a sentence? The bees are busy making honey. Spell it. Nice. Now let's write it and spell it. B-U-S-Y. Busy. When I'm writing, should I write as fast and as messy as I can? No, I really need to write neatly. Good job. This is the word door. What's the word? Let's spell it. Now let's write it. D-O-O-R. Door. Can you please use the word door in a sentence? My cat is looking at the door over there. Door. This is the word enough. What's the word? Enough. This does not follow the rules that I have taught you yet, okay? So we need to spell it. Enough. Can you use the word enough in a sentence, please? Are there enough seats for all? Enough. All right, let's spell it and write it. E-N-O-U-G-H. Enough. All right, here's our last word. This is the word eyes, like the things that you see with. Eyes. Spell it. Good. Now, I would like you to write it and spell it at the same time. E-Y-E-S. Eyes. Use the word eyes in a sentence for me. I have 2 eyes. Good. My glasses help my eyes to see. Awesome. All right. So that was our lesson for today. Use these words, spell them, practice them. Look for our OO sound, ooh, as much as you can. Remember, there's 7 different ways that it's spelled, so it's a tricky one. See if you can find somewhere to read it today. You guys did a great job. Make sure you do your packet, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.